Snail. Some snails have tiny hairs on their tongues to scrape food off surfaces. Frog. Frogs can jump over 20 times their own body length. Duck. There are over 120 species of ducks. Seahorse. Seahorses have no stomach. Food passes quickly through their bodies. Cow. Cows can sense the Earth's magnetic field and often align themselves north-south while grazing. Flamingo. Flamingos can sleep standing on one leg, even with their eyes open. Shark. Sharks have special paws called ampullae of Lorenzini to detect electric signals from other animals. Anglerfish. Male anglerfish are tiny and fuse to females to become permanent mates. Sloth. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins, up to 40 minutes. Raccoon. Raccoons have super-sensitive front paws that help them see objects in the dark. Seal. Baby seals are born with fluffy white fur that helps them blend into the snow. Dog. Dogs can smell time, like knowing when it's time for their owner to come home. Camel. A camel's long eyelashes protect its eyes from blowing sand. Rhino. Rhinos communicate with each other using sounds humans can't hear. Butterfly. Some butterflies can see colors that humans can't, like ultraviolet light. Lion. Lions rest for up to 20 hours a day to save energy for hunting. Monkey. Capuchin monkeys wash their hands and feet with urine to mark their territory. Elephant. Elephant calves suck their trunks like baby humans suck their thumbs. Crab. Some crabs decorate their shells with seaweed and sponges for camouflage. Manta ray. Manta rays perform flips and spins as a way to communicate. Dolphin. Dolphins call each other by unique whistles, like names. Saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles can leap out of the water using just their tails.